Curious about the fuse box locations in your 2024 Maserati GranTurismo? How can you find the right fuse when troubleshooting electrical issues? In this guide, we'll explore the 2024 Maserati GranTurismo fuse box diagram and location to help you easily identify and replace fuses. Front left-hand side of the engine compartment. On the front left-hand side of the engine compartment, you'll typically find the battery, which supplies electrical power to start the engine and operate the vehicle's electronics. Nearby is the fuse and relay box, housing essential fuses and relays that protect and control various electrical circuits. Rear left-hand side of the engine compartment. The rear left-hand side of the engine compartment typically contains key components, such as the brake fluid reservoir and master cylinder, which are essential for the vehicle's braking system. This area may also house fuse or relay boxes, as well as parts of the emissions control system. Trunk compartment fuse box. The trunk compartment fuse box is typically located beneath the trunk floor panel and provides protection for essential rear vehicle components, such as the tail lights, fuel system, and trunk release. It contains clearly labeled fuses, making it easy to identify and replace faulty ones.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse, glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse, ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse, PAL fuse, low-profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse, fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.